guys, Kirsty here with XG Cargo, and today I'm going to show you how to install your Magne-Lok Sun Shade on the Rubicon JL. The Magne-Lok Sun Shade fits the Wrangler JL 2-door and 4-door as well as the Gladiator. So for the first time you install it, you're going to need to take the Jeep Freedom tops off. First, you're going to want to take out the factory screws on the sports bar here. You're going to use the tool provided to unscrew both of the factory screws here. Now we're going to take the strap mount and reinsert the screw from the sports bar. So you just want to tighten it nice and snug in there, not overly tight. So now you're going to weave the Velcro through the mount here so that your buckle is on the outside and the padding is going over the sports bar. So now that you've installed all 4 of the mounts, you're ready to install your sunshade. So first you're going to locate the posts here and insert them into the Freedom Top guide. Make sure the magnets are secure to the top here. So now you're going to attach your sports bar mounts. Make sure there's even tightness so they all align well. And now you're going to attach the back straps here. Be sure your sunshade is aligned by evenly tightening all the straps so that the magnets in front lock into place. So the nice thing about your sunshade is you can keep it on at all times. So when you want to put your Freedom tops on, you just lift it back like this so that the guides are exposed.